Hi guys, it's Richard from Stay Safe Workshops here, and I just want to introduce you to the first of many video diaries that we're planning on putting out over the coming weeks and months and quite possibly years. We're thinking of using these videos really for three main reasons. Okay, so number one, we're going to use future videos as a really quick and easy way of letting you guys know what we've been up to as an organisation, who we've been working with and what we may have been up to, and also anything we're planning on doing in the future. These videos are going to really help with that. Number two, we're going to use these videos as a way of putting out valuable information, help and advice on the subjects that we specialise here at Stay Safe Workshops: anti-bullying, stranger awareness, and most certainly e-safety. And last and most certainly not least, number three, connecting with you guys. This platform is going to allow young people, parents and even schools the chance to connect with us and pretty much ask us anything. Whether that's giving young people that we may have recently worked with an extra opportunity to connect with us and ask us any additional questions, or in fact anyone out there that's just looking for a little bit of extra advice and help, something that they may feel that's going to benefit them in their lives. Maybe it's something to help a friend, and obviously if it's a parent or carer that's maybe looking for some advice to help a child. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on all the obvious social media platforms. Details will be at the end of this video. And obviously in the meantime, if you've got any questions or comments or anything you want to ask our advice on, please feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll try our best to help you and put out the best advice possible. So for now, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks guys.